Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Understanding the Basic of Capacitor. Today, we are going to discuss and simulate the basic structure of capacitor. What capacitor is? Capacitor is a device specially designed to store the charge. Okay, and if we are talking about the parallel plate capacitor, this capacitance C is directly proportional to epsilon. A is the area of those plates and the separation between these plates. If we have two plates like this, if we place these two plates parallelly and having some difference or displacement which is d, and the area it is L, if it is d, then the area of these plates is A. The capacitance C is given by epsilon, that is the permittivity area of the plates, and D is the separation between these two plates. Let's start with the simulation and try to understand how this capacitance, whose unit is Coulomb per volt, which is Q by V, is also known as C, which is capacitance. It is another formula for describing this capacitance. That means this C is defined by unit farad. That means 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb per volt. Okay, let's start with the simulation and try to understand the concept how this capacitance C is varying with the changing in the area and changing in the distance or separation between these two plates, parallel plates. For working with this, on the screen you are able to see these two plates. One is on the top and another one is at the bottom side. One battery is connected. Okay, and we can have these bars, charges on the plate, stored energy, and electric field lines. Okay, suppose we provide this positive 1.2 or 5 volt from the battery. That means this is the positive terminal of the battery, and the bottom black color side is negative of the battery. When we switch on the battery, this plate is acquiring positive charge and the bottom plate acquires the negative charge, and because of the separation, these separated charges, one is positive and one is negative, will generate or experience the electric field, and these lines are shown starting from positive charge plate and ending towards the negative plate of charge. And if we increase the area of the plate, what should happen? Let's start. If we increase the area A, you can observe in the graph or at the bottom of this green slide bar, we observe the capacitance in farad is increased to 3.54 into 10 raised to power minus 13 farad. And if we decreases the area of the parallel plates, then the capacitance is also decreased and comes to be 0.80 into 10 raised to power minus 13 farad. Okay, this is the dependency of area on C, which is directly proportional. Now we try to fix the area, let it be like this. When the capacitance is 2.14 into 10 raised to power minus 13 farad. Now we try to change the separation between these two plates. Now it's 10 mm. Now we can shrink. If we decrease the parallel plate capacitance, parallel plate separation, then the capacitance is going to increase from this formula. If we decrease this D, then capacitance will increase, as you can observe here also. If we increase the separation, then reverse is happen to the capacitance. It comes down to 2.14 into 10 to the power minus 13 farad. Similarly, we again decreases and increases area and D. We have observed the change in the capacitance respectively, and respectively we can also observe the charge stored between these two plates of capacitor in the field in the form of electric field. And now I change the polarity of voltages. Now the upper plate is got negative charge due to the polarity is changed, and this bottom plate is getting now positive charge because of the changing polarity. That means minus 1.5 volt is given to the upper plate, and respectively plus voltage or plus terminal is connected to the bottom terminal. And now you can observe these electric field lines are reversed in that direction. Previously, when these are at positive plate at the top, then the electric field line is downward, and if we change again to the negative to the plate on top, negative charge on the plate at the top and positive charge at the bottom, the electric field line is now in opposite direction. Electric fields are reversed, and the same phenomena, if we decrease, the capacitance increases. If the separation is decreased, capacitance will increase, and if we increase the area, capacitance will again increases, which is directly proportional. Okay. Now we try to involve the effect of this permeability, which is a property of a material. जब हम किसी मटेरियल को इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के पास लेके आते हैं तो वो मटेरियल उस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का अपोज करता है, एंड दैट अपोजिशन प्रोवाइडेड बाय दैट मटेरियल is known as permeability. Let's have the introduction of this material, and this material is known as dielectric. It is made up from silica. It can be made up from mica. It can be a foam. It can be in terms of substance like oil. It can also be some kind of ores, etc. Now we introduce the positive charge on the upper plate and bottom negative charge as previous case. Now we try to insert this dielectric, and you can observe that this dielectric is a material which is consisting of positive and negative charges both. As we move inside these two plates, you can observe that due to the electric field lines, and positive and negative charges on the respective plates, the dielectric increases the charge on above and below plates, with more positive and negative plate of capacitor will become more negative. As we insert all the dimension, and that means the plate and the dielectric material, which is in a cube form, is directly inserted without any shift or without any cutting of the plates area. It will increase the charge on the above and bottom plates. Now we can observe plate stored charge and the things like here. If we insert again, you can observe that without inserting the dielectric between these plates, we have 0.08 into 10⁻⁻12 farad capacitance developed between these plates. Now we try to insert the dielectric, and you can observe plate charge get increased in red bar, green color bar is also increased, that means capacitance is also increased, and charge stored is also increased. And from this experiment or simulation, we can observe that this permeability of a dielectric material is responsible directly to increase the capacitance of the parallel plates. Thanks for watching and observing the phenomena, which is how the capacitance increase or decreases depending upon three parameters. One is permeability, second one is area of the plates, and the separation between these plates. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.